Hello dear students, today we are solving the actuarial science ACET 2023 paper like usual. So the first one is a numerical question on modulus. So let's see, mod of 2x plus 23 equal to mod of x plus 11. It's a very easy question. So all you have to do is just you get two equations like 2x plus 23 equal to x plus 11 with respect to plus, and 2x plus 23 equal to minus x minus 11. Remember that you won't get four equations. Only with keep one side same and the other two side as a plus minus. So here you can solve it. 2x equal to, so x comes here, x equal to minus 12, and here x equal to minus 34 by 3. Okay, so this is the first one. So it's very easy, directly done. So let's go to the next one. 2 fx equal to this 4 of x minus 3 and gx equal to this. Find the value of the x for which the ratio is undefined. Okay, so undefined means denominator is 0. So here gx part is x square minus 7x plus 12. So if you just solve it, x minus 3 and x minus 4. So this you put equal to 0. So this will equal to x equal to 3 or 4 for both values. In the above case, x minus 3 is equal to 0. So x equal to 3. Okay. So above 0 and below 0, so this is the case, so 3 is the value for which the answer will be 0. So the next one is for any two sets A and B, A intersection B and A union B, then what is the relationship between them? So obviously we choose B, C, D are not true, as A union B and A intersection B, we prove that A, so let X belongs to A, so X belongs to A union B, and that is A intersection B as well. So x belongs to A and B is associated with x belongs to B. So A is a subset of B actually. So similarly it can be proved B is a subset of A. So this is only possible if A equal to B.